This is my Lego Gumball machine. And there's no Gumball. There's the coin slot. And there's nothing in there. And there's push stick out and in after making a purchase. I cannot pull this out because I haven't made a purchase, so I won't do anything with that. Now, here's the coin bank, which is locked. I cannot open it. So I'll buy a Gumball. And pay close attention to that little window, because there is a surely slide which for the Gumball to make some loops. I'll show you. Here's your Gumball. Now we take this stick out, push it. Now we can make another purchase. Here's a Gumball. Now we put the stick out again and push it. And you can make another purchase. Nickel. Gumball. Now I have to push this out and in again, and so on. So now I'll show you how to get the money out. To the side, key, put inside that hole, twist it counterclockwise, take this out, and here's your money. And now I'll show you how to refill those gumballs. We go to the back. See the blue piece? We hit it, and that'll happen. Then we just put gumballs in. Then we close it. Now we can make another purchase after we've done that. Like